Well, here's a really simple solution for an Outlander Mitsubishi PHEV that is not moving and showing up all sorts of errors. Keep watching, we show you how to solve this problem. We had our car, Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV 2015, left on the driveway for a few days and tried to start it, and absolutely nothing. A terrifying set of errors coming up on the screen. Brake system service required. ASC System Service Required. EV System Service Required. Stop safely. And it just wasn't doing anything. I took a video of it just like this, took it down to the garage. They said, wow, I've never seen anything like that before. You need to go to the Mitsubishi dealer. You're going to need to get it towed. It was on the driveway, couldn't move it at all, so it's going to be expensive getting it lifted on the back of a truck to take it to see what errors there were and everything. I was not looking forward to it, but there was a really simple solution. I'll tell you that in just a moment. But thanks for watching this video. Do give us a thumbs up if what you're about to hear is going to help you, because we got this working, didn't cost us anything. Also, do check out my website, thanksforwatching.com, for a free gift. So what was the solution? All we did was plug it in overnight for a charge, and basically because the charger got so low it just wasn't wanting to do anything with the electrics. So if you've got the same sort of fault with yours, have you tried plugging it in for a charge? Let us know in the comments if that's been helpful. And again, thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. It all helps produce more videos like this. Thanks for watching.